Hi, welcome to another video. As I told you in my last video, links in the description below. As I told you in my last video, I have the Mo Salah jersey. I was getting it. Well, I checked the mail. It arrived just 6 seconds. Well, not right a second, but I saw it in the mail. Now, I just got it out from its package. How do I get it? Well, it really has what it says and Salah on the back. I even have the shorts. I even have socks for it. Oh, I got the ball. I had to do the last video. Still, link in the description. Well, how do you open the socks? This is pretty neat, actually. I want to tell you something. Just like, subscribe, share with your friends also, because I did an unboxing video, and actually the company that did not make the last unboxing company, well, they actually did not sponsor. I did not know what I picked though. Sorry for that. I got the socks opened. So I'll just get some scissors. I'll be back. I'll get back to our location. Okay, there you go. Got some scissors. I am gonna be very careful with it. It just arrived, Daddy.
Wow.
I'm gonna wear it after I get this thing off.
No. Let me do it.
I know what I'm doing.
No. Yes.
Here? Sorry. Okay, my dad is opening it.
I got it.
Yeah.
Look, I fit this tree.
As my dad is opening it, I'm gonna see what's happening.
Wow.
Okay, let me.
That's nice.
I wanna put it on.
Does it say Mo Salah?
Yeah. Don't know if it fits me.
Should fit you. It's your size.
It does. Wait, but this is how it looks. And I get socks with it. Let me just take off shoes. Let me just put on the socks. Okay. Socks look too big on me. Okay. Okay, got it on this jersey. Okay, I'm trying to get it on. Okay, I'm getting it on. This is so hard. Okay, I'll just do it later. Anyway, this is how it looks. Anyway, yeah. So bye, like, share, and comment, because I read all the comments. So yeah, link to the other video, the last video below. Bye.